What is up, you guys? It's me again, back at it again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be installing these lights right here. These are the LASFIT LED lights. I still haven't opened it. I got these on Amazon, about 260 bucks or 240 bucks, I think. They got here in 2 days, which is great. Excuse the mess back here, but yeah, the reason why I'm changing these lights out is because these VQs or anything with a ballast is known to like go out or like whatever. I was having issues. I went ahead and replaced the ballast with one of the Amazon ballast, and then both of my lights ended up just going out. I replaced the bulbs and then it was never the same. So I'm pretty sure something happened within that, but these guys right here should fix this issue. So let me go ahead and open them up and show you guys what comes in the box. All right, so once opened up in the box, you get this kind of cover thing that tightens everything up. This is going to replace your ballast. So if you guys don't know, LED is a light emitting diode, I believe. So you don't need like a resistor or anything with the ballast like thing has. It's like a whole like bulky thing. But these from LASFIT, it's just straight up plug and play. You don't need to cut anything. In here comes, like I said, this and the bulb already ready to go. I don't know the wattage on this or like how bright it is, but should be way brighter than what I have right now. Also in here you do get a little manual. It's kind of not for this application, but it'll work if you don't know what you're doing. You also get 3 stickers right here. Pretty cool, honestly. This packaging is really nice. I really am a big fan of like packaging and stuff, so this is really nice. So let's get started. First things first on this vehicle, you're going to want to remove the front bumper, and I'm not going to show you how to do that, but I'm just going to go ahead and do it. Alright, so there we have it. The bumper is off. I think I'm just going to show you guys on this headlight because it's going to be the same process for that side. Let's go ahead and remove this light, and I will see you guys right now. Alright, so with the headlight out, you want to just kind of be careful with it. Don't like drop it or anything, because then you'll crack this. So just kind of flip it over. And then the purpose of it is you're going to remove this. You're getting rid of this and you're replacing it with the included light from LASFIT. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this bracket, and then I'll show you guys a little bit more. Okay, so here we have it. It's out of here. Now it's on the igniter, just hanging by this metal look-alike wire. So now we pop this guy open here. Ugh. Damn, it's tight. Hold on. So you remove this cap. We're gonna go ahead and twist this off. This is called the igniter right here. I don't know if this is the one that I replaced. Damn, it kind of smells like burnt. That's probably why my light was acting up. But then these are the piece of craps that we're replacing with the LED lights. So yeah, right now I'm gonna fish this out through this hole, and then we'll be all set. With the old ballast out, which is this piece of crap, this is the igniter right here. As you saw, it had like little holding bolts in there. Just went ahead and took it out, made sure it didn't fall. This right here is where the bulb is going to sit in. This big old thing is going to go in there, and then we're going to put the wire through. It's pretty much going to sit something like this, exactly like this, and the bulb just going to sit in there. So let me go ahead and fish this wire through, and then I'll show you guys once it's all put back together. All right, you guys, so I pretty much got this in. It was kind of difficult, not gonna lie. Damn, I thought I just put this in the wrong way. But this is gonna connect right here. I'm gonna tighten these 3 down, and this is in. It goes supported by the little clip. You like kind of bring it in and then it comes out. So that's the really big D2S. I don't know what it's called, whatever it is. That's the big bulb, LED bulb. And then you got that connector right there that you have to push in, and it goes in a certain way. There's 4 prongs and then 1 like aligning prong. So you put it in, and then you have to twist it while it's in there because it's not long enough to come all the way out and do it out here, which would be amazing. So if LASFIT, you're watching this, try to make that just a little bit longer for those that have bigger hands like me. I'm gonna finish up the other side off camera, and then I'll turn it on and see if these even work or whatever. Okay guys, so I kind of wanted to make a list. I don't know if I've been explaining this very well. So step 1, you're gonna remove the bumper. Step 2, remove the headlight. Step 3, unplug that cable right there. After that, remove, like I said, remove the headlight. And from there, you're gonna remove the 3 bolts right here to remove the ballast. This is the LED one, but you're gonna remove the ballast, remove that little bracket right there, undo this connector, and just yank it out. Well, kind of be careful, but pull it out. And then you put in this ballast first. It runs a wire under, and then you plug that in right there, tighten it, put the bulb in, and you're all done. And another thing to remember is you're going to want to use the weather gasket that it has around this old ballast. You're going to put it on the new one. That's just going to seal everything and make sure it's all good. So this is all plugged in. The bulb is secure in here. So right now I just need to put this cover on and then install it back into the car. Like I said, I'm going to replace the other side. So I'll catch you guys right now that they're both on to the vehicle. Alright guys, so I'm running into some issues right now. This headlight works perfectly fine, and so does this one, up until I put it into the car, and then it doesn't work at all. Watch. I'm gonna turn on the light right now. That's on. Boom. That one works. This one works. Like, this one's already done, but as soon as I put this one into here, it doesn't work. Like, what? This is the second time that I take it out and put it back in. I even got a whole new headlight because I thought it was the ground, because this one didn't turn on at all. I thought it was this harness right here, but at this point I'm just so over this car right now. Like, I'm gonna try one more time, and if not, then I guess get back at you guys once I fix it. Boom! There you guys have it. Now they work. I think I just might have undid the connector and like put it in wrong. But now they work. Now the ultimate test is just driving and seeing the performance of them. So I might pick up this camera and take it along with me on a drive. It's already kind of sunset, so we aren't gonna have to wait much longer. But these lights look pretty cool. I'm gonna turn them off before my car dies. But yeah, right now I'm working on this video of releasing this steering wheel. Right now I'm working on the video of the steering wheel. I used a new editing software and it didn't work out. It like deleted my video. I just don't know how to use it. Yeah, more videos coming soon. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys right now that we test these out. All right guys, so here we have it. Here's what it looks like with the LED lights. This is once again the LASFIT LED conversion kit from HID to LED. I don't want to turn on my high beams right now, but I will right now. Honestly, the clarity looks really, really nice. You get a nice pattern to the sides, as you can see. That's very, like, that's good. But compared to my other LED lights that I have that are just the Amazon suggested, my Amazon suggested in my truck, those are very, very bright. These aren't as bright as I was expecting them to be, but they are way brighter than what I had. Right now I don't have a bumper on or a fender liner, so it's kind of, the noise in here is kind of escalated a little bit, but it's all good. It's kind of what it looks like from outside. It looks very, very bright. And like I'm saying, it gives this even pattern that you guys could probably see on camera. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. And here's what the high beams look like. Very, very nice. It's like I'm saying, I can't emphasize this enough. It's a very consistent pattern that is all across. So you're gonna be able to see a lot of things. Hopefully my issue doesn't come back as to one light was going out, which I'm pretty positive that it was because of the ballast. Like I said, I purchased some Amazon bulbs. They weren't the best, and it unfortunately made my ballast go out. So it's kind of it for now, but I know I kind of rambled on. But thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.